How to fix the Instagram Reels option not showing or working on your Instagram app. I'll be showing 4 ways you can fix this, whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. The first solution to this is to update your Instagram app. Sometimes, when you are using an outdated version of Instagram, whenever there are new features, this won't be available to you. All you have to do is to update your Instagram app to enjoy the latest version features. How do you do this? Simply head to the store. Since you have this app on your device already, you simply have to update it. Once it is updated, open it. By this time, the Instagram Reels option should be showing. If it is not showing, don't worry, we still have 3 more solutions. The second one is to uninstall the app and reinstall it again, because in some cases, this could be caused by some corrupt data and cache accumulated over time. Simply uninstall this app, head to the store once again to reinstall it again. Once reinstalled, open this app. By this time, the Instagram Reels option should be showing. Thirdly is to use the Instagram Lite. If the Reels icon has disappeared from your Instagram app, try using the Lite version. Simply head to the store again. Search for Instagram Lite. Install this app, open it. By this time, you should be seeing the Instagram Reels icon. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please like by tapping on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on notifications so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to know. The last solution to fixing Instagram Reels option not showing on your Instagram app is to join the beta program. You can still enjoy Instagram Reels if it is not available in your region by enrolling in a beta program. When you do this, whenever there are new features on Instagram, you will have the chance to test them before anyone else. Is the Instagram Reels option not showing or working on your Instagram app? Have you fixed it? Let me know which of these 4 options worked for you. These are the 4 ways you can fix the Instagram Reels option not showing or working on your Instagram app, whether you are using an Android phone or iPhone. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you haven't, I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.